All right, I'm going to talk to you about these socket sets. They're durable. You can see I've used them a lot. Hook them up to my impact wrench, and they have nice weight to it. It really has a nice weight to it. You're not going to be afraid of breaking these. In fact, I've used them probably, I kid you not, 1,000 times over the last 5 years, and they're my go-to set for if I need to take off lugs, I need to take off the stubborn bolts, I'll put them on a breaker bar, and I won't worry about breaking these at all. Really good quality material. They made them really good, and I just like the deep socket in here. It's just the thread, it connects to that bolt or that nut that you need to get off. So I highly recommend it. You have 11 all the way up to 32 millimeters, so that's always good. You get a nice variety from 11 to 32. And let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, and I'm not really good at math, but that's a good buy for my take.